Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make Cajun chicken and sausage pasta with a twist. If you're interested, be sure to watch the entire video to see how it's done. And also, if you're new here, if you're watching us for the first time, be sure you are subscribed. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our cooking videos, okay? Now, without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, let's begin. Everything that I use will be down below. Now, these are the seasoning you're going to need. And also, I am using 2 chicken breasts already seasoned overnight. And also, I'm using hot dogs. You can use sausage as a replacement, and also some onions, chopped onions. Now, right here, this is minced garlic. To get started, we're going to boil our pasta. You can boil your pasta just by reading the instruction of the box. But what I usually do is add my water, a little bit of salt, and as well as some oil so the pasta doesn't stick. As soon as your water starts boiling, add your pasta, and I let this pasta cook for about 12 minutes. When it's done, I am going to remove it, pour the pasta in a different container, save a little bit of the pasta water. Now let's get started with the cooking. I am using some peanuts oil, which I will leave the measurement down below. I am going to fry my hot dogs. This is where you will add your sausage if you have some. And next, once your hot dog is nice and golden, or however you like it, if you like it super crispy, you can. Once it's done, you're going to remove it. Now I am going to add my chicken breast. I marinated this overnight with just epis only. I do have an epis video which I will link down below. You can add other things if you want to add in there, but I marinated with only epis. My epis is always on point, okay? Now, if you want, you can add some seasoning in there, which I didn't because I already have tons of flavor in there, but you can add the seasoning right now on the chicken. Now, once your chicken is nice and golden, you're going to remove it. You see, I'm turning them over so they can have, both sides can have that nice golden color. Okay, now we're going to remove the chicken because it's nice and golden. We're going to remove it and put it on the side. Now I am going to fry my epis as well as my minced garlic. I wanted it to have a nice strong garlic flavor, that's why I added garlic. In that epis seasoning there is garlic, but I want a strong flavor of garlic. Now I am going to cook the tomato paste, so I am going to add that in there and fry it. Now I do have a little bit of the pasta water. Like I said, I told you guys to save it earlier. Now I am going to add little by little. I am going to add the pasta water in the pot just to cook the tomato paste because I do not want it to burn. Now this is my garlic. I forgot to add it in the beginning when I was frying the epis, but you can definitely add it while you're frying your epis, okay? Now time to add my onions. These are yellow onions, and next I am going in with my chopped red bell pepper and green bell pepper. And I am going to add some of the pasta water in there. Now it's time to add your seasoning. I am going to start by adding the Island Vibe seasoning. This seasoning, you guys, has so much flavor in it, so that's why I didn't really need much of other seasoning. So I am going to add a good tablespoon. I don't know how many, but I will leave it down below for you guys. I do have it in my note. I will leave it down below. Just add it in there, and as well as your garlic powder. And also I added some chili powder in there, so check the description box for the measurement. This is the chili powder. The Island Vibe seasoning will be available very soon. Just bear with me, you guys. I have been testing this seasoning out because I want you guys food to taste awesome. Okay, so stay tuned for it. Now I am going to add the rest of the pasta water. What we're doing right now is basically making a sauce for the pasta. I am going to cover this and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes on low. Now this is the time you can add more seasoning. If you taste it, you want to adjust the seasoning, you can go back and add some more seasoning. And I did add some salt as well. Now this is a few minutes later, about 7 minutes later. I am going in with the hot dogs. Like I said, if you have sausage, this is the time to add it, as well as the chicken, the grilled chicken we did earlier, and mix that together. It has so much flavor. Like I said, you guys, it tastes so good. Now I am going in with the pasta. Yes, you guys, the pasta. We're going to add that in there and make sure to add it little by little, so you don't, add too much and spill everything on your stove. So I add it little by little. And we're going to give that a quick mix to make sure all of the sauce is well combined into the pasta. Look how glistening and nice this pasta looks. Just how it looked good. It really sure tastes good, you guys. It tastes amazing. Now you can taste it for salt, taste it for seasoning. Just like you guys see how good it looks on the screen, it really tastes amazing. I really hope you guys can taste this food, like I said, but my way of letting you guys taste my food is with that seasoning that I am going to provide you guys with. So stay tuned for it. Now it is ready to serve. You can definitely add whatever cheese you like on top. I eat it by itself just like that. It tastes amazing. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure you are subscribed if you're new. Let me know down below if you're going to try this recipe, and also do not forget to thumbs up the video, you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. For some garnishment, I just added a little bit of chopped parsley, and this is it. Really hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to share the video, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye.